Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, we will be covering the Feature Manager Design tree, which is this section right here. This section is very important when we are modeling because it contains a couple of tools we need to actually make our model. So we're just going to cover this couple of tabs. So the first one is the Feature Manager Design tree. You're going to be working in this most of the time. You have your Property Manager, Configuration Manager, Expert Manager, and the Display Manager. We might cover this Configuration Manager at some point in the lecture, but for now you don't need to worry about it. And most of your modeling, you're gonna be doing it in the Feature Manager Design tree. So in this tree, what you have is the first important thing we have in this tree is our planes. So we have the front plane, top plane, and the right plane. This plane are what we would sketch on in order to be able to make our features. We are going to cover this more in details when we get into the sketching. And another important thing we have on this Feature Manager tree is our origin point. So the origin point is pretty much this point, which lets you locate your part relatively to the world. So the rule that what I always do is, and most people that model in SolidWorks actually do the same, is you want to make sure that your model is always constrained to the origin point and you build your model from there. So that way everything is fully constrained and it's actually much easier to model that way. So you always want to make sure your model is constrained to the origin point. And right under the origin point, we have our features, which are the pieces that are used to design this one part. So for this particular part, we have our extrude, we have another extrude, we have a fillet, and we have another fillet. In some cases where you might have a part that is more complicated than this part, your feature tree gets longer. So any other feature you add to this part, for example, gets added to the tree. So for example, if I take the fillet and I say I want to apply a fillet to this face, and let me just do 0.05, and I click OK. As you can see, another fillet has been added to that feature tree, and this fillet we just applied has been added to that feature tree. So your feature tree can get longer and longer, and I'm just gonna delete that. And so now that's pretty much everything you need to know about the Feature Manager tree. It has your planes, it has your origin point, and it has all the list of features that are used to design your part. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.